Hey everybody, it's Lance with Mobile Detailing. Got another unboxing, another scangrip product, and one that I've been kind of holding off because I had an older headlamp that I was using and I knew it wasn't going to be as good as the scangrip, but I hate wasting money and just throwing stuff away because it's old. But now that that's all busted and broken, it's time for a new one. Here we go. This is the new i-match2 headlamp. It's going to have that hand motion sensor activation. It's going to have the two different fluctuations for lighting for your lighter colored cars and for your darker colored cars, so you get that true quality of the color while you're polishing, while you're cleaning, so you don't miss anything. Your eyes focus where your headlamp is, and it's going to add to that extra little something that I always enjoy. You can never have enough light, and the guys over at Scangrip get that. So love their products. Let's open this one up. Let's see what it's all about. Okay, everybody. Time to open up the i-match2. Like I said in the intro, this thing is, I've been wanting to buy one of these for a while, but been holding off because I just hate throwing away money. I had a headlamp before. It's not as awesome as this, but it served its purpose, and I just can't fathom throwing away something just to get something new. It just boggles my mind. So I usually use things until they're done, and then I go out and spoil myself. And today I have done exactly that. The new i-match2, compared to the older i-match, it's just going to have beautiful, beautiful effects for me, and I'm really excited to see what it looks like inside here. So let's open it up. Okay, just the one, I guess so. Here we go. You get to see it the same way I do. So, nothing too fancy. It's actually, okay, well, to me it's pretty damn fancy. But anyway, the boxing's simple. The boxing is exactly what you were looking for. Open it up, and inside is not really anything except for the holder. Let's look, usually there's stuff hiding underneath, such as power cable. So we have a 2-prong USB hookup, power block, and then on the back we have some kind of a, I don't know what voltage that is, we'll figure it out later, but we'll get into that one. And yeah, so those are the two things you get inside there. And as always, you're going to have your instructional booklet. So this thing is going to help you understand what it does, how to use it, how to perform the different functions, and maximize the tool to get the most benefit out of it. So here we go. Let's put that back, open it up. So on the scangrip, it's going to have some kind of elastic sides. It does have a piece of padding here, and I've heard that that's pretty good to keep the sweat down on your head whenever you're working lots. You get a little sweaty, blah, blah, blah. But yeah, adjustable side strap. And it does have the quick release, so you can adjust it pretty fast. I like that, as opposed to the other styles that you've seen out there, like my old one, where it was just a hook and loop, so you had to pull it over and then feed it more, and it was a lot. Actually pretty excited about this one. So this would be the power button on this side, and on this side we have different lighting features, I would assume. This is where you getting to read the instructional booklet will be nice. Are you going to turn on? Ah, that was cool. So turn on. Okay, let's see if we can get it into some different color modes here. There we go. There's a little bit lighter, brighter. use this thing yet. So needless to say, I've got to figure this thing out. But there you go. The new scangrip i-match2 unboxing. If you guys want to see anything else unboxed, let me know. Hit the like button, subscribe to us. Appreciate you watching. Catch you next time. Thanks. How the hell do you turn it on a lower setting? I don't speak that language.